Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of R&D Garage. I want to give a warm welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking my videos, and watching my channel. So I'm pretty excited today. I've been wanting to get my hands on this car for a pretty long time now. This is a 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback, and it was bought many years ago by Dee of R&D Garage. This is the second car he ever bought. He was about 15. It was his daily driver for maybe about 10 years, and then it just sat for a while. So this poor baby needs a lot of work. What we're gonna do is basically refurbish her from top to bottom. She's came stock with a 289 4-barrel engine. We're gonna run through that again. She needs a whole new interior. She had a deluxe interior in her, but you know, it got some faded, a little bit worn, so we're going to replace all that. She needs new brakes, she needs new engine components, she needs just a lot of TLC. And our plan is to get her back and running for this summer. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let the camera do its business and give you a little love letter to the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback.